Hey there, welcome to the garage where I buy stuff and try it out so you don't have to. I really love my Evolution saw. It really does great. I don't have a good place to put it though. I've got this old workbench that was here when I bought the house 100 years ago. And that's where it sits, but it's a little too high and it throws metal chunks all over my stuff. And so that's not really great. I can work with it on the floor, but then I'm down on my knees. So I'm looking for something in between. I kicked around the idea of getting some of my scrap metal and building something, building exactly what I wanted. And I could do that. That could be fun. But I stumbled across this Win planer miter saw stand. And if it's what I think it is, it's going to work really well because it's the right height and it has casters on one side and then like an adjustable caster on the front so it can be stationary or roll. I don't know. We'll see. It could either be junk or it could be cool. Let's find out. I'm not sure, like exactly sure where this thing is made. We can guess that it's made overseas somewhere. I doubt it's made in America. It was 175 bucks. But so far, I mean, everything is going together nicely as opposed to some foreign made items that you get that holes don't line up. See if we can get it to hold. So it's going to hold without falling. Probably not. I'm brave. I'm brave. I can do it. Maybe not. Oh, just as I said, all the holes line up. These don't. Yeah, they kind of do. Where are you? Oh, I see. Oh. You need to go just like, come on. Come on. Come on, little fella. I mean, everything is going together nicely. Like I was saying, the holes line up perfectly. Why will this nut not go on here? Oh my gosh. What are you doing here? And I'm just trying to do it upside down and backwards. I don't know why that's so hard. Table capacity, 220 pounds. So that should, in theory, support, I mean, that'll support the saw and the drill if I want to put them both on there. The stand height, 29.3 inches. Table dimensions, 22.7 inches both ways, square. So, and shelf capacity, 55 pounds. That's good to know, since I won't be using that for much. Oh, you know, you will. You'll stack junk on it. Drill bits and saw blades and such, I guess. Okay, all buttoned up. So pretty stable. I mean, yeah, it's stable. And then, so I've got my kick up the wheel, and then the front wheel swivels. So I can roll this guy around. I think this is going to work. Let's put the saw on it and see if we can get the saw bolted down. I think I'm just going to use it for the saw, not my drill press. I don't know. Let me eyeball this. So this is what I came up with, and I think it's going to work. I mean, it looks a little weird and kludgy because everything is kind of jammed in there, but there's enough space. I moved the saw over to this side, and that gives room for the motor, and I can still bring my chop saw down and not hit this guy. That guy's not centered up anyway, so it needs to be moved over. And then I still have room for my arms to come up. I've got to get these guys bolted in. So I'm going to have to get those holes to line up, but I think it's going to work. And when I pop it up on the wheels, you would think, oh, that's going to be really top heavy with this motor, but it works. Check it out. I don't have any of this bolted down yet. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and fix that because it's driving me nuts. There we go. Okay. So nothing is bolted down. And hang on to it. Pop that guy up, and now I can move this around wherever I need to move it. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I got to bolt that down like that, and back in place. I think I'm in business now. I just got to get these guys secured on here. The bolts that came with this guy, I don't think are going to be long enough. Yeah, they're not long enough to go through where I can actually get a nut on them. So I got to see if I've got something else I can use. I really need a 1/4 inch, but I don't have any long 1/4 inch. I may be able to bolt this guy down, but I need a good washer on that. Looks a little janky, but it's okay. So I'm going to call this a success. So I managed to get both of these guys. And if you're wondering why I really wanted the drill press down this low, one, it's because I didn't like having this plate up in my face when I was drilling. And also this gives me where I can get up to the belts easy instead of being way up super high. So this way I can use the Levolution chop saw, right? And have plenty of room for longer pieces, and I get some good stability. I'm not having to stack just random stuff on either side. Gives me some stability there. Everything kind of contained, and I can move it around real easy. So all in all, I like it. It seems to be pretty sturdy. Oh, and I did find these are 5/16 bolts. These guys actually fit. It's not a hole there, but I got to get it lined up. But these are not threaded all the way, so they won't work. I need to get some 5/16 that are maybe a little shorter and they're threaded all the way, and then I can secure this guy down, and then I'm in good shape. So I appreciate you guys watching. That's about all I've got. I'm going to get that guy bolted down, and it'll be in good shape. Then I can start using it. I can roll it outside if I need to. Just gives me a lot more flexibility for using my drill press and my chop saw. So give me a thumbs up if this video was fun for you, if it made sense, if you enjoyed it. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry. Just have a good day, I guess. I appreciate you watching either way. Subscribe if you want to. If not, that's cool too. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.